The Vilros Raspberry Pi 5 compatible aluminum alloy case is a case designed to protect a Raspberry Pi 5 board while providing maximum function and passive and active cooling. Follow these steps to install your Pi 5 board into the case. Open the case to split the two parts. Ensure that the on-off button is in place and that the screw holes on the button and case align. Remove the sticker from one side of the thermal conductive pad and apply the pad onto the chip contact point of the top part of the case. Once applied, remove the sticker from the other side of the pad. Insert the Raspberry Pi 5 board into the bottom part of the case. Plug the fan cable into the fan port on the Pi board. Place the top cover over the board and secure using the 4 screws. The case also includes a silicone SD card cover, as well as soft feet that can be added if desired. You can also use the case in an open configuration for GPIO access, or for usage with the official active cooler using the included spacers. When using a GPIO cable, use just 2 spacers on the HDMI port side of the board. You can mount a camera module or HQ camera to the case using the included screws and holes on top of the case. You can mount the case to a wall using the separately sold wall mount.